Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you one of our pre-owned boats. This is a Robalo dual console 247. On the back of it, it's got the reliable Yamaha 300 horsepower motor. It is the white edition, so it's pretty cool. It looks clean with the boat. Back here we do have a small fish box, so you can put your fresh catch in there, or you can fill it up with drinks or what have you. Back here we have the seat in the back of the boat. If you lift this up, and this folds up and gives you plenty more fishing room back here. Have a live well right here. Keep all your fresh live bait in there, ready to catch the big fish. In the gunnels, we have built-in rod holders. Also some tow catch right here. So, moving towards the front, we have this large hardtop area. Built-in glove boxes. There's also a glove box down here where the head is. Open this door up, you have a full head in there. Everything's good to go. At the helm, we do have a Garmin display as well as the Yamaha display, and all the functions of the boat are within arm's reach. Also Linko trim tabs. Coming to the front of the boat, we do have a large bow area. You can sit up here. Looks like there's a table base right there. Also storage under all these seats. Thanks for your time today. This is Billy with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us.